Optical isomerism part 2. Before watching this video, you see the part 1 video, right? Now, optical isomerism in compounds having more than one chiral carbon. If only one chiral carbon is there, always optically active. Only one chiral carbon. That means A, B, C, D is there. So always optically active. If more than one chiral carbon is there, it may or may not be. So further the conditions. Plane of symmetry, center of symmetry, n-fold alternative axis of symmetry should be absent. These three absent. Then, then only optically active. Optically active. Right? Now see here example. Here compound is there, mirror image is there. Mirror image. Mirror image means plane of symmetry. Plane of symmetry means if one plane is bisecting that compound, given compound into two pieces which are mirror images, that is called plane of symmetry. Yes, one imaginary line is here. This molecule is cutting into two pieces. The above one and below one is looks like a mirror images, right? This is called plane of symmetry. Plane of symmetry short name is POS, plane of symmetry, right? The first one, plane of symmetry. So plane of symmetry is there means optically inactive, optically inactive, right? Optically inactive. Next, second compound you can see. Here, same mirror image, it's not there. It is not, there is no mirror images. Here OH this side is there, here OH that side is there. So these are not mirror images. Hence, plane of symmetry is absent. I'm talking about plane of symmetry. So plane of symmetry absent. So is it optically active or not? We don't know. Again, we have to check it. Two more are there. Center of symmetry also is there. Then we have to check center of symmetry is what. So center of symmetry means it is a point inside a molecule from which on a traveling equal distance in opposite direction one takes equal time. A center of symmetry usually present only an even numbered ring. For example, the mole of trans 2,4-dimethyl cyclobutane trans 1,3 dicarboxylic acid has a center of symmetry. See, if you understood the definitions, fine. Otherwise, just you take the molecule, the same groups, just you connect with one line. See, methyl and methyl is down. Then CO, COH, and hydrogen, hydrogen. If these all lines are going through a single point, that is called center of symmetry. Okay, if these all lines are meeting at a certain place, okay, that is center of symmetry. If it is not, there is no center of symmetry. So if center of symmetry is there, then optically inactive. So next, you can see here, this is the molecule stereoisomerism in tartaric acid. So OH, OH, HH, plane of symmetry is there, so optically inactive. Okay. Now, see here, two bromines, methyl, ethyl, two bromines are there. So this structure we can write these many types. इसका mirror image तो ये है, image, mirror image. Now mirror image. Here trans type they written. This is a trio. This is erythro, right? Here इसका mirror image this one, right? Mirror image. Now total how many isomers are there? Four isomers are there. So what is the formula? 2 to the power of n. So n here chiral center. So 2 square, that means 4 isomers are possible. Out of these 4 isomers, how many are same homomers or enantiomers or diastereomers? we have to tell. So here these two are enantiomers. Enantiomers. Okay, this 1 and 2, 1 and 2. This 2 and 3 are diastereomers. Diastereomers. What is this diastereomers? Which are not mirror images. See your bromine, bromine same side, your bromine, bromine opposite side. These are called diastereomers. Next, one more is there, homomers. Enantiomers, diastereomers, then homomers. Homomers are mesomers, we can say. So the mesomer means if both are same. If it is superimposable, that is called homomers or isomers. Mesomers. Sir. Okay, mesomer means same compound. The meso compounds, the mirror image is aligned, means superimposable with the original one. Now, if more than one chiral centers are there, what is the formula? How many isomers are exist? Like that question will be there. So when the molecule is unsymmetrical, unsymmetrical means here chiral carbons are there. If this end and this end, here suppose methyl is there, here if it is ethyl is there, this is unsymmetrical. Unsymmetrical. Okay, if both sides chiral carbons are there, here also methyl, here also methyl, this is the symmetrical. If symmetrical ends and unsymmetrical, here the first question is when the molecule is unsymmetrical, means unsymmetrical ends are there, then the formula is 2 to the power of n. Next, meso forms 0. Racemic mixtures, how many? Racemic mixture obviously a by 2. Here just before we saw that total 4 are there. Out of 4, these two are enantiomers, these two also enantiomers. Total 4 existing means 2 are original, 2 are images. So racemic mixture are 2 racemic mixtures. So here A by 2. Then total number of optical active isomers, total number of optically active isomer A plus M equal to 2 to the power of n. A plus M. Here A optically active isomers, mesomers कुछ नहीं है इसमें. So A plus M, the total equal to the power of n. Now the case 2. Now case 2 here, if when the molecule is symmetrical end, means like this, symmetrical end, and have even number of asymmetric carbon. Even number of carbon means 2, 4, 6, like this. Even number of asymmetrical carbon atoms. Then number of optical isomers are, the formula is 2 to the power of n minus 1 for active. For meso isomers, 2 to the power of n by 2 minus 1. For mesoforms, n by 2 minus 1. For racemic mixture A by 2. Here whatever A you will get it by 2. Then total number of optical isomers, you have to add this meso plus optically active, that is the total number of isomers. Right? Now, when the molecule is symmetrical and has odd number of asymmetrical carbon, see symmetrical means like this, but odd number of asymmetric carbon 3, 5, 7 asymmetric carbons are there, then this formula is A equal to the power of n minus 1 minus 2 to the power of n by 2 minus 1. I am writing here 2 to the power of n minus 1 minus 2 to the power of n by 2 minus 1. Okay, see how to remember. Same in the geometrical isomerism also same question was there, same formula. Here n by 2. Suppose odd number may if you divide it, then it will become the fraction value. So fraction we don't take. Like that you can remember n by 2 minus 1 we are taking. Right? In case of odd number. Even number may there is no n by 2. For meso isomers it is there. For even number n by 2 minus 1 is there, but odd number we are taking, sorry, we are taking here n minus 1 by 2, n minus 1 by 2, because odd number is there, odd minus 1 karo, then even number you will get it even number by 2, right? So then total a plus m you have to do. Now optically active compounds having no asymmetric carbon. So this is also possible. Optically active compounds having no asymmetric carbon. Without asymmetric carbon also the compounds are optically active. That thing we will discuss in the part 3. Here just you concentrate on these formulas. Okay, formulas again you write in the notebook and clearly you have to learn, then only you can calculate easily number of optical isomers.